June 1st to June 7th, 2021, evening star Venus shines in the western sky after sunset. Mars is over 20 degrees to the upper left of Venus during this week. Venus cuts the gap to Mars during the month. Use a binocular to watch Venus pass a star cluster and Mars move eastward in the Pollux region. Chart caption: 2021, early June, brilliant Venus is low in the west-northwest after sunset. Mars, in the Pollux area of Gemini, is over 20 degrees to the upper left of Venus. By Jeffrey L. Hunt. Brilliant evening star Venus shines in the western sky after sunset as June opens. Mars is to the upper left of Venus. Begin looking for Venus about 45 minutes after sunset. It is low in the west-northwest, about 6 degrees above the horizon. At this hour, the planet is easily located in the multi-hues of evening twilight. A clear horizon, without obstructions, is needed to get the best views. A hilltop or elevated structure helps as necessary. Venus is stepping eastward at the Taurus-Gemini border. It moves into Gemini on June 2nd. Mars is much dimmer than it was at the beginning of the year. It is marching eastward through Gemini, in the Pollux area of the sky. On June 1st, the planet is in line with Pollux and Kappa Geminorum, Kappa Gem on the chart. The red planet is naked eye. A binocular helps with the view. Venus is moving eastward faster than Mars and overtakes it on July 12th in a conjunction. Each evening, watch the gap close. On June 1st, the gap between them is nearly 25 degrees. By the evening of June 7th, the gap is reduced to over 21 degrees. Here are some notable events for these 7 evenings with Venus and Mars. Chart caption: 2021, June 1st, Mars is in line with Pollux and Kappa Geminorum. The trio easily fits into the field of view of a binocular. June 1st, Mars is on a line with Pollux and Kappa Geminorum. Chart caption: 2021, June 3rd, with a binocular, Venus is 0.3 degrees to the lower right of the star cluster Messier 35, M35. The planet is 2.6 degrees to the right of Eta Geminorum, Eta Gem, and 4.1 degrees to the lower right of Mu Geminorum. June 3rd, use a binocular to spot Venus 0.3 degrees to the lower right of the star cluster Messier 35, M35. The cluster is in a challenging place in the sky to see, because of its low altitude and twilight. The planet is 2.6 degrees to the right of Purpose, Eta Gem, and 4.1 degrees to the lower right Teot Posterior, Mu Gem. The stars' names mean the projecting foot and the heel, respectively. Chart caption: 2021, June 4th, with a binocular, Venus is 0.9 degrees to the upper left of the star cluster Messier 35, M35, 2.6 degrees to the upper right of Eta Geminorum, Eta Gem, and 3.1 degrees to the lower right of Mu Geminorum. June 4th, Venus is 0.9 degrees to the upper left of the star cluster M35, 2.0 degrees to the upper right of the star Eta Geminorum, and 3.1 degrees to the lower right of Mu Geminorum. June 6th, Venus passes 1.9 degrees to the upper right of Mu Geminorum. June 7th, 45 minutes after sunset, Venus is about 7 degrees above the west-northwest horizon. Mars is over 21 degrees to the upper left of the brilliant planet. The red planet is 7.3 degrees to the left of Pollux. Articles and summaries. Venus as an evening star. Venus evening star, summary Mercury during May 2021. Mars during 2021, summary planets during June 2021. 2021, June 3rd to 8th, morning crescents. June 3rd to June 8th, 2021, each morning before sunrise, look eastward for the waning crescent moon. Each morning the moon is farther eastward and lower in the sky, while the phase wanes to a thin crescent. 2021, May 31st, goodbye, Mercury. May 31st, 2021, the planet parade is cut to 4 bright participants as Mercury departs the evening sky after tonight's final appearance. Goodbye, Mercury. Until it appears in the morning sky during early summer. This morning the moon is near Saturn and Jupiter in the southeastern sky. Brilliant evening star Venus, dim Mercury, and Mars are in the evening sky. 2021, May 29th, evening star Venus, Mercury, Mars. May 30th, 2021, brilliant evening star shines from low in the west-northwest after sunset. Through a binocular locate Mercury, 2.5 degrees to the lower right of Venus. Mercury is quickly departing the evening sky. Mars is higher in the sky, 5.3 degrees to the lower left of Pollux. 2021, May 30th, 2021, June 2nd, morning moon passes planets. May 30th, 2021, June 2nd, 2021, The gibbous moon passes bright Jupiter and Saturn before sunrise each morning. May 30th, the moon is the lower right of Saturn. May 31st, the moon is to the lower left of Saturn. On June 1st and June 2nd, the lunar orb is near Jupiter. 2021, May 29th, evening star Venus, Mercury, Mars. May 29, 2021, 3 planets are in the evening sky. Brilliant Venus is low in the west-northwest after sunset. Speedy Mercury is leaving the sky after its best evening performance of the year. It is below Venus. Mars is higher in the western sky, in Gemini to the lower left of Pollux.